how much should you actually spend on an Nvidia Geforce RTX 4050? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, ASUS Dual RTX 5060T. First up, we have the ASUS Dual Nvidia Geforce RTX 5060T 16GB GDDR7 OC Edition. Priced at $577.81, this card caught my eye with its impressive specs and sleek design. If you want outstanding gaming performance with the latest features, this is worth a serious look. In practical terms, this translates to smoother gameplay and quicker loading times. Plus, the OC mode boosts the clock speed to an impressive 2632 MHz, ensuring that your games run flawlessly at high settings. With a max resolution of 7680 x 4320 pixels, you can enjoy ultra-high-definition graphics. Now, some people complained about the card being a bit noisy under heavy loads. Here's the thing though, if you're a hardcore gamer, you're probably wearing headphones anyway, so it's not a deal-breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for high-end gaming performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something quieter for a multimedia setup. For the performance you get, it's a solid value. Now, if the noise factor bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ASUS SFF Ready Prime RTX 5070. Next, we have the ASUS SFF Ready Prime Nvidia Geforce RTX 5070 graphics card, coming in at $641.99. This card really stands out if you're looking to build a compact gaming rig. If you want a powerful card that fits in smaller spaces, this is worth a serious look. The 12GB GDDR7 memory ensures you have plenty of power for demanding games, and the 2542 MHz clock speed means it performs exceptionally well. Plus, with a maximum resolution of 7680 x 4320 pixels, your games will look stunning. It's no surprise that it also holds a 4.7-star rating from over 650 reviews with more than 1,000 sold last month. But here's the thing with the phase change GPU thermal pad, it effectively lowers temperatures, so it's still a solid option for most users. This is perfect for you if you're building a compact gaming setup. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. It's a bit pricier, but you're paying for that compact power. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want budget-friendly yet powerful options. Product number 3, ASUS Dual RTX 5060. The third card is the ASUS Dual Nvidia Geforce RTX 5068GB GDDR7 OC Edition, priced at $369.99. This card struck me for its balance between price and performance. If you want a budget-friendly option without compromising too much on quality, this is worth a serious look. It supports OC mode with speeds up to 2565 MHz, ensuring smooth gameplay. Plus, the 8GB GDDR7 memory allows for great performance in most modern games. With a max resolution of 7680 x 4320 pixels, you're not sacrificing visual quality for the price. It has a solid 4.7-star rating from over 474 reviews, with plenty of sales last month, so it's clearly a popular choice. Here's my take: unless you're planning to overclock heavily, the standard cooling should suffice for casual gaming. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet competent gaming card. Skip this one if you only want the absolute top-tier performance. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if that price point caught your eye, the next product is even more wallet-friendly. Product number 4, Gigabyte Geforce RTX 5060. Coming in next is the Gigabyte Geforce RTX 5060 WNDFORC OC 8G graphics card, priced at $349.95. I found this one to be a great option if you want a reliable card without spending a fortune. If you're looking for something that efficiently handles most games at a lower price, this is worth a serious look. The WNDFORC cooling system helps keep the card cool during intense gaming sessions. And with a maximum resolution of 7680 x 4320 pixels, you'll still get excellent visuals. Earning a 4.7-star rating from over 353 reviews, it's hard to argue against its popularity with over 500 sold recently. But here's the thing, if you mainly play less demanding games or aren't into the latest AAA titles, this card should serve you well without busting your budget. This is perfect for you if you're a casual gamer or just starting out. Skip this one if you plan to play the most demanding games on ultra settings. It's a fantastic entry-level choice. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more oomph without going too high-end, the last card on my list might just do the trick. Product number 5, ASUS SFF Ready Prime RTX 5070 OC. Finally, we have the ASUS SFF Ready Prime Nvidia Geforce Rtx 5070 OC edition, priced at $699.99. This card caught my attention for being a step up in performance but still compact. If you're after high performance in a small package, this is worth a serious look. The phase change GPU thermal pad helps keep temperatures down, so you can game longer without worrying about overheating. It supports a maximum resolution of 3840x2160, so you can still enjoy stunning visuals. Holding a 4.6-star rating from 251 reviews, it's clear this card is well received. Some users pointed out that it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, which might not appeal to everyone. But here's the thing, consider the performance you're getting. It's a solid investment if you're serious about gaming. This is perfect for you if you're a serious gamer who wants a compact solution. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest in your gaming experience. For what you get, it justifies the price. In conclusion, we've looked at a range of options, from budget-friendly choices to powerful performers. Each card has its strengths, and your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. So there you have it. From the ASUS Dual RTX 5060 Ti that balances performance and features, to the budget-friendly Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5060, and finally the compact power of the ASUS SFF Ready Prime RTX 5070 OC edition. Each card offers something unique, so think about your gaming needs and budget before you decide. Happy gaming!